Welcome back to Business of Bollywood. So have directors become brands in their own right? इसी पर बात करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ हैं एक नहीं बल्कि 4 leading directors. We have with us today Kunal Kohli, Imtiaz Ali, Madhur Bhandarkar और Rohit Shetty. Let's speak to them. Welcome to the show, gentlemen.
Thank you.
कुणाल, सबसे पहले आपसे शुरू करते हैं. You've been in the industry long enough. You were a critic yourself. तो आप बताइए, आपको क्या लगता है? What's your take on this? क्या आज directors brands बन चुके हैं?
आज से नहीं, मुझे लगता है शुरू से डायरेक्टर्स ब्रांड्स हैं. जब बिमल रॉय की फिल्म आती थी तो वो बिमल रॉय की फिल्म होती थी. राज कपूर की फिल्म आती थी तो राज कपूर की फिल्म होती थी. तो डायरेक्टर्स हैव ऑलवेज बीन ब्रांड्स.
I think the director is a person who influences the movies that he makes the most. So in that way, they have a distinctive style and therefore can be a brand.
People know you by face nowadays. Because definitely, because of the paper, because of the print media, because of the channels, so people relate to you, people come and talk to you.
And I think it's because of the media and the kind of television we do, and every now and then we are on television because of our films or television show, and that's why people know us, and that's how we become brands.
Definitely. Like, let's take a film from my own heroine. I'm going to say Kareena Kapoor, Madhur Bhandarkar. First 3 days, whatever the mixed reaction with the critics was, it got 25 crores weekend. So I'm going to say it's great. A film of
But
22
you
crores.
co-produced it, so you're not just a director.
No, I mean
anymore,
obviously
right?
produced it.
So
obviously.
that role has also.
No, but as a director,
also
people know
changed.
me na more. As a producer, more than that, it has a director's know me na. Madhur की film है with a combination of Kareena Kapoor.
But maybe it's shows like these जो visibility आजकल बढ़ा रहे हैं. But then what about things like the reality show appearances, the ads, the endorsements? वो सब तो that's
the
the
icing on the
director's
cake.
choice.
I
That's the
think-
personality choice.
I
No,
think that's very nice
these are. I think these are the perks which today has come in
Which
the
has come,
industry.
yeah.
Earlier it was not
That
there.
used to be actor perks.
Huh?
आजकल
Yeah.
director perks.
Actually,
Actually,
director perks,
absolutely,
yeah.
absolutely. I think these
Yeah.
perks are there because now the TRP rating or the people, the common man, they knew about it.
Yeah.
They know
But I think
about
the
it.
actors are now trying to intrude into that also. Because पहले जो reality shows होते थे, जब नच बलिए और सब start हुआ था, तो we were the judges. Now even the actors want to come into reality shows.
But
So I think they should leave
that's-
that for us.
I don't think that's going to happen. I remember complaining about it when they started being anchors, and I was like, no, that's my job.
Yeah, तो अभी वो लोग
No, I
anchor
agree.
भी बन रहे हैं. Now the actors need to leave some perks for us also, you know. They're doing ads and modeling, and then we are left to direct the ads.
अब जो डायरेक्टर है वो like I said is in the forefront anyway, लेकिन वो एक प्लेटर पे फिल्म को ऑडियंस तक लेके जाते हैं. That promotions में उनका जो उनका हाथ है वो बहुत बड़ा है. It's not just about the actors.
If the whole vision has come from the director, he'd be a good guy to explain that vision to people even before the movie and invite them to come and watch the film, which is why they are also included much more.
हम एक एक्टर को कभी-कभी साल में 4 फिल्मों में देखते हैं, लेकिन अब ये फलां डायरेक्टर के साथ आए, तो इसका व्यू पॉइंट क्या है?
Is it okay to say कि bigger the TV appearance, bigger the brand value for a director?
I
No,
think
sometimes also there's a two-edged
Yeah,
sword
there's-
there.
How is
You
that?
can also, if you make a
You
fool
can
of
overkill.
yourself,
yeah, full of yourself.
then
Absolutely.
you'll
It's a
be
double-edged
making
sword.
a fool of yourself
Yeah.
in front of a lot of people.
See, all this can work, cannot work. Like Suraj Barjat is a very quiet filmmaker. Aditya Chopra is very quiet. People don't even know what he looks like. But he's one of the biggest filmmakers in the country. One of the biggest production houses is run by a man who very few people have seen or very few people have spoken to.
There's a method to everyone's madness here. That's
Absolutely.
just
And there is
that's
a
just how we are.
madness in everyone's method too, which is why we are here.
Which is why we are here.
And lastly, gentlemen, एक बॉक्स ऑफिस का जो रिजल्ट है या फेलियर कई बारी जो होता है वो एक डायरेक्टर की लाइफ को कितना इम्पैक्ट करता है या वैल्यू को?
मेरे ख्याल से मैं खुद के लिए बोलूँगा मेरे लिए कि मेरी जो पहली पिक्चर थी बहुत बड़ी डिजास्टर फिल्म थी त्रिशक्ति. वो तो 12 बजे लगी 3 बजे उतर गई थी. तो आई एम बीइंग ऑनेस्ट, तो आई बिकेम सो इम्यून टू, सो अकस्टम्ड टू इट दैट टाइम. आफ्टर दैट आई सेड नेवर लुक बैक. फ्रॉम चांदनी बार टू हीरोइन इज बीन अ ग्रेट जर्नी फॉर मी. एब्सोल्युटली गुड केक वॉक फॉर मी. तो आई एम हैप्पी सो फार. एंड लाइक इन 12 साल में अच्छा ब्रांड हो गया है. तो 1-2 पिक्चर ऊपर नीचे भी हो जाए तो आई कैन स्टिल फ्लो विद द फ्लो, आई थिंक सो. तो
I'll say I don't know the number. Usually I don't remember the numbers of my own movies or other people's, but if the movie itself turns out well, if more people like it, if they get something from it, then it is a very enriching experience.
The greatest example for this is that Yash Ji is known by Lamhe and Silsila. Two
Right.
films that didn't work at the
Yeah,
box office.
absolutely not worked.
You know, but when you talk about his top 5 best films, Lamhe and Silsila will always be in
Always
that
there,
list.
always be there.
तो कभी-कभी जो फिल्में आज नहीं चली हैं, वो 50 साल बाद या 20 साल बाद भी चल सकती हैं. The same happened with Gurudutt.
Raj Kapoor.
Raj Kapoor.
Raj Kapoor.
मेरा नाम जोकर और
मेरा नाम
कागज के
जोकर.
फूल.
So I think कागज के फूल didn't finish 1 week in the theatre.
Yeah.
But today it's a cult classic. But लोगों को box office का result याद नहीं रहता है. लोगों को पिक्चर अच्छी है या
अच्छी बुरी है वो याद
याद है.
Obviously, box office मतलब मैं कैसे बोलूँ कि नहीं पसंद है.
आपकी कितनी फिल्में वैसे 100 करोड़ टच की हैं सर?
No, पता नहीं मतलब I do get scared कि कल को अगर मेरी कोई फिल्म नहीं चलेगी, so I don't know how will I take it. You know, to be very honest. कि अगर next film नहीं चलती है, तो because the way the kind of success I have seen, I get scared with every film. To be very honest, कि अरे अगर ये नहीं चलेगी तो मतलब what will I do or what will I feel, I don't know.
But you want to impact, obviously, your
Yeah.
value as a director. Maybe the overall brand value could be, but as a director, you have what it takes.
No, but
so-
obviously when I'm making a film, I want it to do well.
Correct.
And I want everyone to like the film, everyone to be happy with
I
the
think we
film.
all are with the kind of results we've seen.
No, and
So
I
thank you
think
so
the
much.
thing is that, you know, there is no director who's escaped from a film not doing well.
Yeah.
You know, as you might have noticed, it's very difficult for us to use that four-letter word called FLOP. It's very difficult
Yeah.
for a director
Yeah, yeah,
to
yeah.
say that. We say film nahi chali, film ye hua. Because it's very difficult to live with that. You know, I've had films that haven't done well, and I've had films that have done blockbusters. Okay, so I've seen both sides of the coin.
Everyone goes through
And
that
everyone
phase.
goes through that, and you have to know that when it doesn't do well, let it not dishearten you, and when it does well, let it not go to your head. That's
your
what's
head, yeah.
most.
Oh, well, gentlemen, on that note, thank you so much for bringing the directors inside onto Business of Bollywood. It's
Thank you.
great to
Thank
have
you.
all of you simultaneously on the show.
Thank
Thank you so
much.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.